What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have an automatic toothpaste dispenser. Bought this from Amazon a little while ago, so I'm just now getting into this, and it looks like you can mount this up two ways. So they have adhesive, and then they have a screw. And as you know, on my channel, I like using screws because it's just easier to take down. Usually when you use adhesive, your paint comes off the wall, which is very irritating because you will have to patch it back up, paint it back up. So you got screws right there. You have the dispenser here. All right, and this is the adhesive part. Now we need to see how this thing works. So I guess this is the instructions. All right, you guys, I have to send my apologies. I thought this was an automatic toothbrush dispenser. This is a manual toothbrush dispenser. Not mad, but you know, I thought it was going to be automatic. I thought you could put your toothbrush underneath and then it'll come out. But this is a manual one, and you can pull this part out and then you can see the mechanism inside. All right, so we are going to go ahead and still have this one. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. Now, what you need to do is find a stud. I'm trying to center it as good as possible. I'm just gonna test this out real quick. Bada boom. Right now I have a Sensodyne, and we are going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, so sorry, you guys. So it looks like it fits right in there. But is that it? All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I don't think so. All right, nothing is coming out. So is it a different type of toothpaste? Oh, maybe it was coming out. I'm not sure. I think it was. I just had to keep pumping. Oh, it coming out. Oh, that's cool, you guys. It works. It works. It really works. Wow. We have toothpaste. We have the dispenser. Okay, you gotta push in hard. I think it's a little bit of air because I took it out. All right, so that's pretty cool. Wow, you guys, this is pretty cool. I want to get another one. I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get a different one. So be on the lookout. This is cool, you guys. Home goods is so fun. It's so much fun. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.